Hello viewers, welcome to IGI Agile IT training. And in this session, we'll talk about Python tuples. Tuple is one of the data structures in Python. Tuple can store many items in one variable. So it's a collection of objects which are ordered and immutable. That means you can't make any changes to that. Tuples are enclosed in parentheses, item 1, item 2, item 3. For example, tuple 1 is 6793, and also tuple 2 is defined as hello heterogeneous data. So tuples respond to concatenation and a repetition, except that the result is in a new tuple, not a string. That is one of the point. There are two methods allowed in with tuples count and index for returning number of items and fetching the item value based on the index. So tuples allow duplicate values, but they are not changeable. It is possible to find tuple length. So how many items tuple has with a length function? It is possible to create tuple with one item. So there is a special significance of comma that I explained in demo. If you have a tuple with one item and a comma, then that will be treated as a tuple. But if you have a tuple without any comma, that is treated as a string. So the other example you see tuple 16793 print tuple 1. If you print type of the tuple is tuple and the print tuple of 0. So with the index, I am able to access index 0 is 6. So the 6 value is printed here. So tuple 2, and if I print tuple 2 of 2, this is 0, this is 1, this is 2. So the IGA value is printed. So from left to right, the index is 0, 1, 2, 3. From right to left, it is -1, -2, -3, -4. In the same way, if I print tuple 2 of -1, it will still print IGA. Let's do some practicals.
Tuples. Let's create a tuple. Tuples can be created with parentheses. With comma separated values. Let's print tuple. Let's print tuple. The output is printed here. It's of class type. Duplicates in tuple. Duplicates are allowed. Find tuple length. 5. There are 5 items. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Comma significance in tuple. Tuple 2 is assigned with chairs without a comma, and tuple 3 is assigned with chairs and a comma. You see the difference what type it could be. The one that is not with a comma is a string type. The one is with a comma, tuple 3 is actually tuple type. Heterogeneous data types in tuple. I have a tuple 1 and with these values, and I print length of the tuple and print value. The heterogeneous length is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Create tuple with tuple constructor. Yeah, with tuple 1 with tuple constructor. How to access tuples? Tuple 0 is 1. 3 is 3. Tuple 2 must be tables. Tuple minus 1 should be tables from the last. Tuple minus 2, it should display the sofa from the reverse. These are all reverse indexes. Print from position 2 to 4. From the index 2, 3, and the 4 up to 4. So 0, 1, 2 is tables, 3 is 3, and up to 4. Fourth will not be printed. Up to 4, 0, 1, 2, 3. Up to here it is printed. From 2, from the index 2, print all of those. 0, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus 4, minus 2. Minus 4, I mean reverse index. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 from third position to minus 1, minus 2 up to sofa. That means benches. 3 and benches will display. Let's find the membership. In tuple 1, then print value is present. Tables is present. Let's say that table. There is nothing printed here because table is not in tuple. So this condition will become false. This statement will not be executed. Changes to tuples. Not possible to append, not possible to insert, and not possible to delete. But there is a way to update the tuple by converting them into a list. I change them to list and then y dot append beds. Then tuple 1 equal to tuple of y. Print tuple 1. I added beds here. Beds have been added. As per the definition, tuple cannot be updated, but with a workaround, we can do that. Add a tuple to a tuple. This fails. Only concatenate tuple, not the string to tuple. Let's put a comma here and try. But nothing is printed. Let's print it. Yes, beds have been added. Delete the tuple. Print tuple 1 and then delete tuple 1 and then try to print tuple 1. It has been deleted, so there is no tuple 1 existed, so not defined. Unpack the tuple. Tuple 1. Print C, for example. What do you think it will be printed? Tables will be printed. Multiply a tuple. Tuple 1 is equal to tuple 1 into 2. Print a tuple 1. the items will be doubled to the same items. There are two tuple methods. Let's see. Count tuple. How many sofas are there? There is only one sofa. How many tables are there? Two tables are there. What is the index? There is one more function to find the index. Index of table. 2. 0, 1, 2. There is another table, but the first one it will print. Second one it won't print.
We have come towards the end of the session. We have done with the tuples. I will come up with another topic in the new session. Thank you.